Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today Apple released iOS 17.2 Beta 2 to developers. Wasn't expecting this on a Thursday, but they did release this today. Like I said, to developers, I actually just uploaded a video earlier today talking about the pause that Apple is taking on new features in iOS 18 to focus on bug fixes and improvements and stuff like that. And then poof, beta comes out. Wasn't really expecting it until next week. We do have a couple new changes here in Beta 2. The main one being in the camera. If we head into settings here and go down to the camera settings, if you go into, oops, sorry, we're already there. If you go into formats, there is a new section in here to enable a video capture mode for the Apple Vision Pro. So record spatial video with remarkable depth for viewing in the Photos app on Vision Pro. For best results, keep iPhone in landscape orientation and stable while recording. Video is recorded at 30 frames a second in 1080p. A minute of spatial video is approximately 130 megabytes. So once you turn that on, if you go into the camera application here and you switch over to video, you will get a, let's see, alright, so you will get a little, so we're too close up there, but once we back it up some, here we go, turn it, you get a little Vision Pro icon over here. You tap that and it tells you to move farther away because it does need to be a little bit farther back for the spatial video to work, but you can enable that and record a spatial video for viewing on the Apple Vision Pro. Now this video does still play back as normal on the iPhone. If you want to watch it back on your iPhone, you can still do that, but it does record it in spatial video for the Apple Vision Pro specifically, so you can watch it in that spatial video and kind of like that 3D effect. So there is that. There are a couple bug fixes in regards to widgets. Some people were reporting a bug with the weather widget and weather saying it was unavailable. I am not having that. I just added the Apple weather widget right here just to verify, and I'm not having that issue on my device. There are some other fixes and changes here in settings. If we go back to settings and we go to general, the coverage section for your AppleCare coverage for your paired devices and your iPhone is now standalone within the general section. You no longer have to go to about first. It's just right there in general. So they have moved that out of about. And they did update the photo detection for potentially inappropriate photos. That does now work in stickers in iMessage as well as the contact photos. So if you're worried about somebody setting an inappropriate contact photo and then it automatically showing up on your device, that has been updated to where it will now warn you if there is something potentially inappropriate in that photo. So that is some of the stuff new in iOS 17.2 Beta 2. Like I said, Apple is focusing on bug fixes. They have put a pause on iOS 18 development for about a week, from what the reports are saying, to work on bug fixes and stuff like that here in iOS. So maybe within the next few betas we'll see some effects of that, and maybe things will get really cleaned up. I'm not having any issues here in 17.2 Beta 2 yet. I've had it installed for about an hour now, so only time will tell. I will do another follow-up in about a week or so, letting you guys know how battery life has been, performance, and all that kind of stuff. But that is some of the stuff that is new here in Beta 2. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.